Danny, are you ready for one more round of drinks from Breckenridge Distillery?
Are you kidding? Bring it on.
Hi, I'm Billy Keithley from the Breckenridge Distillery, the liquid chef. If it's edible, I can make a cocktail out of it. This is my Obi-Wan Old Fashioned I'm making for you today. This is raw simple, and I'm using 2.5 ounces of our Breckenridge port cask finish. With that, a little bit of barrel-aged whiskey bitters, which is a nice, just all balanced, perfect cocktail. Love it. Adding some ice. I'm going to chill that to the Obi-Wan Old Fashioned temperature that it needs to be. And then I'm going to strain this right over ice or a nice ice ball or whiskey rocks, whatever you like. And then I'm going to give it a nice orange zest. Drop that right in the drink and a little Luxardo cherry, which is my favorite. And there you go. That's the Obi-Wan Old Fashioned. Cheers!